Hi guys, welcome to another wonderful session of learning with PrepClass. I am Bisi, I am a PrepClass tutor. I always like to be here as your tutor. Alright, so in this video we are going to be solving Akwa Pre-vocational Studies, Agricultural Science, year 2019 from question 26 to question 30. Subscribe to our channel. This is where you can get more videos like this. Also, don't forget to like and comment on this video. Please also share with your friends as well, okay? That's good. Well done. Alright, so the first question is question 26. When an animal is being fed on a ration that does not increase its weight but keep it in a good health and constant weight, it is said to be on a dash ration. A. Healthy. B. Balanced. C. Maintenance. D. Production. So which of these options is correct? So maintenance ration is the daily feed allowance per animal in correct amount and proportion meant to maintain the animal's life without increasing or decreasing in weight. So the answer is maintenance ration. This is the ration that an animal is being fed just to keep it in good health and to maintain a constant weight. So the animal doesn't increase in weight or decrease in weight. So this ration is called the maintenance ration. So the correct option here is C, maintenance. When an animal is being fed on a ration that does not increase its weight but keeps it in a good health and constant weight, it is said to be on a maintenance ration. So C is the correct option. Check. Question 27. A reward of capital is dash. A. Wages. B. Profit. C. Interest. D. Dividend. So to be able to answer this question, we need to find out the meaning of each of these options. So what is wages? Wages is an amount of money that is paid to an employee for their work. It is an income derived from labor. So if I do a particular work, the money you pay me for doing that job is called wages. Alright, what about profit? Profit is the revenue remaining after all costs are paid. These costs include labor, materials, interest on debt, and taxes. So for example, if I have a business, so at the end of the month or at the end of the year, it depends on how I want to do it. I might want to do it monthly or annually. Okay, so this is the revenue, this is the money that remains after all the costs have been removed. So I've removed the cost of labor, materials, interest on debt, taxes. So the remaining money is the profit. So this is the money that I have gained. Okay, so interest is the income earned by owners of capital resources. Interest is the reward of capital as a factor of production. What about dividend? Dividend is a share of profit and retained earnings that a company pays out to shareholders. So the correct option is C. A reward of capital is interest. So C is the correct option. Check. Question 28. Application of salt to fish is called A. Smoking, B. Frying, C. Canning, D. Curing. So which of these options is correct? So let's find out the meaning of each of these options. So smoking is a method of food preservation that involves the removal of moisture from the food. This helps to prevent the growth of microorganisms. So you would have seen people smoking fish before. So this is done just to remove moisture from the food. This removal of moisture would help to prevent the growth of microorganisms on that food. Frying is the cooking of food in hot oil or other fat. You must have even fried food before, maybe fish. You must have fried fish before. So frying is the cooking of food in hot oil or other fat. Canning is a preservation that involves placing food in cans and heating them to a temperature that destroys microorganisms that cause food to spoil. These food are kept in cans and then they are heated to a temperature that destroys microorganisms that cause food to spoil. The last option is curing. What is curing? Curing is food preservation and flavoring processes of food, such as meat, fish, and vegetables by the addition of salt with the aim of drawing moisture out of the food. So curing is a process of application of salt to fish or other kinds of food to preserve them. Okay, so the correct option is D, curing. Application of salt to fish is called curing. So the correct option is D, curing. Check. Question 29. List of all machines, equipment, buildings and structures in the farm is called dash. A. Farm inventory. B. Production record. C. Sales record. D. Farm diary. So for us to be able to know the answer to this, we have to find out what each of these options mean. So farm inventory is a list of all machines, equipment, buildings and structures in the farm. So it's a list of everything in the farm. But production records are used to document everything that is produced on the farm. So from the word production and record, this is a document containing everything that is produced on the farm. Sale records are used to keep a record of all sales made from farm produce. So sale records are records of all sales from farm produce. Farm diary is a record of the day-to-day activities of a farm. So farm diary is a record of the day-to-day activities of a farm. So which of the following options is correct? List of all machines, equipment, buildings and structures in the farm is called farm inventory. That's the correct answer. So the correct option is A, farm inventory. Check. Question 30, which is the last question in this video. Non-ruminant animals are animals with dash stomach. A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4. So, what are non-ruminant animals? Non-ruminant animals are animals that have simple stomach. It means that they have just one compartment to the stomach as compared to ruminant animals that have a complex stomach. Ruminant animals have stomach of 4 compartments. Wow, that's a lot. So examples of non-ruminant animals are humans, chickens, dogs, and so on. So which of the options is correct? Non-ruminant animals are animals with one stomach. Remember, I said that non-ruminant animals are animals that have simple stomach. That is, they have just one compartment to the stomach. So the correct option is A, 1. Check. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're able to learn a lot. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, subscribe to this channel where you can get more videos like this. You can also share with your friends so they can also use it in preparation for their examinations as well. So till I come your way next time, bye.